Good morning, TikTok. It's Saturday morning. It's approximately 9 o'clock. We're on the road heading to Michigan. We're currently on I-75 in Tennessee. We're going up to visit our son and daughter-in-law and our granddaughter. So what better way to spend a little time in the car when you're a passenger than a little bit of coloring? Got my books, got my colored pencils. Gonna sit and relax and enjoy the beauty of the mountains as we drive through. So that's my day today. Have a great day.